Oliver Schönborn-Kellenberger, Cogitars. How to change the world of statistics in times of big data.
Hello, I'm Oliver and I'm a statistician. And I'm going to talk a little bit about statistics today. We gave a workshop on this topic last week in 2 days, presenting 300 slides. People told me it was a bit tense. So I hope I will not lose you over this presentation. So when you develop a new drug in our days, at a certain time point you have to enter the clinic. You have to do a first-in-human study. Now the statistical methodology used in that area is coming from the 1960s. It's called 3+3 or 6+2 design. They're very easy. You take 3 patients, you give them your first dose, and you count the number of toxicities. If you have 0 out of 3, you continue. If you have 1 out of 3, you take another 3. If you have more than 2, you're done. Now that methodology, based from the 1960s, has an accuracy of around 30%. So the first time you have a new innovative drug, you test it, you evaluate it, you make a decision on it, you have an accuracy about 30%. 80 to 90% of the clinical trials, first in human, are still using that kind of methodology, which scared me the first time I heard that. Because if you think longer, you know, the drugs that we're currently using, how accurate are they actually being used in clinics? So what we are trying at Cogitars, and we have developed, this methodology that we're using has actually been out there for 20 years, is we are able nowadays to use big data. We have a lot of information. We have a lot of information from the pre-clinic. We have information from other phase 1 trials or from other information. And we are actually able to model that into a statistical model. We are able to develop a dose-response curve. We put in our prior belief. It's called the Bayesian logistic regression model, if you ever hear that. And that's what we use. The very good thing about this is it's not just science. It's been accepted by the health authorities, and you know it's a conservative business. So it's very important at this kind of base. So our mission is to change this statistical methodology to become the most important, and we switch the ratio, so this methodology in 5 to 10 years should be 80 or 90% used. And if you want to see the 300 slides, I see you in the back. Thank you.